everyone, I'm Innie, and I'm going to teach you how to do this.
Yay!
Alright, let's learn. First, drop 2 balls and kick them out of the way and save them for later. First, you're going to start with 1 ball. Dizzy! And you're just going to throw it to each hand. Oh yeah, make sure each hand is at a 90-degree angle. So, what I need to do is just toss the hand over and over to each one like I'm doing. There will be some mistakes. For example, it'll drop. But, yes, pick it back up and try again. Then, eventually, you grab your second ball. And, if you watched earlier, you'll notice that the balls are going in an X shape, like this. Well, maybe a little further, but still, we're going in an X shape. Remember that. So, what you're going to do, is you're going to 1, 2, and once the first ball reaches the peak, you throw the second one. 1, 2. Oh yeah, and remember, keep relaxed and calm. Oh yeah, always start with your dominant hand. My dominant is my left hand, so I start with that one. And if you don't know which way is which, this is your right hand. Mine is. In my perspective is my left. This is your left hand. Mine is right. So, left, right. If not right, left. If not left, right. If not right, left. Now this is a trick a wise owl taught me. Well, a wise owl cannot talk, so an owl did not teach me this. So, if you want to make it a little spiced up, you can just do it with both hands. Like, of course there'll be some mistakes. For example, both of my balls dropped. They all just pick them back up. And start again. Like so. And remember, relax, 90-degree angle, and this is something new. Shoulder, feet width apart. And just stay relaxed. Think you're at your favorite place in the world that makes you relax. Not like a roller coaster where you go like the beach. You're just swimming in the ocean. No sharks are with you. And it's a nice calm day. The sun is shining. The sand is moving at a slow pace. Yes! Now, you got to grab the last ball, because I have 2. So now, you have 1 ball, 2 balls, 3 balls. You see that? Now, what you're going to do is just throw each ball in the air. Not so exciting, but remember, throw them. So, first let's start here. You need to have your dominant hand, the hand you use for throwing, should have 2 out of the 3 balls. So, what you're going to do is throw the front ball, that's in your hand, up in the air first. Towards the other hand, like, without it dropping. Like that. Alright? Then you're gonna hit the second ball. Of course, there's gonna be some falls. As usual. So, just add the second ball. Now here comes the tricky part. You're gonna add the third ball in as well. So remember, it's a pattern. Thumb in the hand, neutral thumb in the hand, thumb in the hand. That's how it goes through the whole thing. Then you're just gonna keep on adding and adding and adding and adding. Adding and adding and adding and adding and adding and adding.
Whoa!
And adding and adding.
Whoa!
And until you reach 100,000, FYI, you can't reach 100,000. That's too difficult. Unless you're a pro. Well, of course, I'm not a pro. I'm more of a average. And now, here's what it'll look like when you're finished. It'll look just like that. Hello. That's my brother too. He was doing a video just now. I'm gonna teach you how to do the walking juggle.
Yay!
Okay, so first let's start with the basics. You all know the drill. Drop 2 balls. And remember, shoulder width feet apart. Relax. And 90-degree angle. Now, you know what that will look like, so I'm gonna skip that part. Now here comes the walking top. Now here comes the walking juggle. So, what you wanna do is make the balls go 2 forward and make them go a little 2 backward, 1 backwards. So remember, forwards is 2 outwards and backwards is 2 inwards. And when you want to stop, just bring it back to the middle. Like so. So this is how it looks like. This is what it will look like. Hello. Hello. What's up, Tuck? I don't know. I'm just juggling all over the place. Ka-ching. That chair. Right over his head. Don't do this at home, kids, if you're using bowling balls. Look, balls are popping out of his forehead. And that's how you do it. See you next video.